Phrasal verbs are very common in English. Today we learn about look for. This is an important phrasal verb that means to search for something. Many English speakers use it every day. Look for means to search for something or someone that is lost, needed, or wanted. When you cannot find your phone or keys, you look for them. When you need a new job, you look for work opportunities. Listen to these simple examples. I am looking for my keys. This means I cannot find my keys and I am searching everywhere. She is looking for a new job. This means she wants a job and is trying to find one. Look for has similar words like search, hunt, and seek. Search means to look carefully for something hidden. Hunt means to look actively for something difficult to find. Seek means to try to find or obtain something. Here are more examples from daily life. Have you seen my phone ? I am looking for it everywhere. This shows searching for a lost item. The police are looking for witnesses to the accident. This shows trying to find people who saw something. We are looking for volunteers for the event. This means we need people to help and are asking for them. He is looking for hidden treasure on the island. This shows searching for something valuable and secret. Look for is a separable phrasal verb. This means the object can come between look and for. You can say look for it here or look it for here. Both are correct English. Look at these examples of separable usage. Look for it here. The it goes between look and for, or you can say look it for here. Both sentences mean the same thing and both are correct grammar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.